You can easily export out your Mural files in different formats by using the export option over here on the top. So once you click on this, what happens is that here you can see that there's different formats that you can choose according to which you want to export out the file. Let's say, for example, if you want to export it out as a PDF document, you can click, and over here, you can also click on email me the link to email it out. So over here in my desktop, if I were to save this out, then what happens is that this gets downloaded as a PDF file, as you can see, and this is the file in PDF format. Let me just go around back over here. And over here on to the download option, you can also download this as a PNG image right here. So it's downloading out as a PNG image. So I can just save this out. And over here, once I click, you can see it opens up with the photo viewer on your computer. You can go around over here. You can also get an embed link if you want to embed it out into, let's say, for example, enable embedding. You can also embed it out in your web page if you want to. You can go around over here and then download zip file, that is the original files, as well, just like this. And it gets downloaded as a zip file, as you can see, and this is what you have. It's downloaded as an HTML native file for Mural as well. You can also publish this out as a template, or just export out the plain text. And you can also go around and select a particular area right here, just like this, and then select it out right here and export the things out onto PDF or PNG, just like this, as you can see. And those are the exporting options in Mural. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.